Hi, I've been trying to improve my English skills lately. Do you have any tips?
Yes, reading and listening to simple texts can be very helpful.
Really? How does that work?
Well, when you read, you learn new words and see how sentences are structured.
That makes sense. And what about listening?
Listening helps you understand pronunciation and natural speech patterns.
I heard that reading and listening simultaneously can be effective. Is that true?
Yes, it is. It's a technique called simultaneous reading and listening. It can really boost your language skills.
How does it work?
You listen to an audio recording of a text while following along with the written words. It helps you connect the sounds with the text.
That sounds like it could help with pronunciation and comprehension.
Yes, and don't worry about understanding everything at once. It's normal to gradually improve.
I was wondering, does reading and listening to English also help with speaking skills?
Yes, it does. By exposing yourself to the language, you'll become more familiar with sentence structures and vocabulary, which can improve your speaking.
That's good to know. But how can I practice speaking if I'm learning on my own?
You can try repeating phrases you hear while listening, or read aloud to practice pronunciation.
Those are great suggestions. I'll start using them in my practice.
Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes. The important thing is to keep practicing and stay motivated.
I'll remember that. Thank you for all the helpful tips. I feel more confident about improving my English now.
You're welcome. Just keep at it, and you'll see progress in no time. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.